The machine adopts CNC touchscreen control with simple and understandable interface, simple operation and no requirements for workers. The CNC drilling machine is specially designed and manufactured for the drilling of electrical box and galvanized cable tray and trunking of building decoration and hydropower projects. Vertical structure of the whole machine. The maximum effective drilling stroke of left and right is 2,500 mm. It can automatically move left and right to drill holes with the required spacing in the same line without minimum spacing limit. The drilling depth and depth of CNC 0 point can be adjusted at will, and the maximum stroke is 100 mm. The minimum distance from the end face of the drill shaft head to the working table is 20 mm. Equipped with pneumatic material pressing device and positioning support, it can clamp workpieces of different lengths and widths with fast pneumatic reaction speed and can be used for unlimited times. In order to ensure the personal safety of operators and the convenience of operation, the machine adopts a push-button start work switch. After the machine data is adjusted, press the start button to start work. Widely used in building decoration, water and electricity engineering, electrical box, galvanized cable tray and trunking, archives and natural resources, library insurance equipment, mining machinery handling equipment. It can automatically and efficiently drill out solid iron bars, I-shaped, round, square and oval pipes made of 45 steel, aluminum alloy profiles, steel plastic, Q-35 galvanized pipes and other metal materials. High drilling efficiency, accurate hole position, no burr on the front and back sides, which can be operated by ordinary workers without programming.